Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today I am going to show you how to make hand sanitizer at home. Okay, as you know, the whole world is suffering from a virus called corona. Okay, and so what are the things we can do? As I have told you in your previous video, that we can only we can take some precautions so we can stay away from this disease. Okay, so what are the precautions? Stay at your home and follow the rules of lockdown and maintain your social distance, and we have to wash our hands properly, and we have to use hand sanitizers. Okay, so what is a sanitizer? Sanitizer is used to kill the germs and it contains nearly 70% of alcohol. Okay, so according to WHO, a proper sanitizer contains normally 60 to 70% of alcohol. As you know that prevention is better than cure, so we should always take proper precautions. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to make hand sanitizer at home, and it is very easy and effective because sanitizer is very costly nowadays and it is also not available in the market, and many of the people can't afford sanitizer, so you can suggest them they can make it at home at a very cheap price. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what are the things required for making sanitizer. Okay, so first one is the main thing which is required for making hand sanitizer is this. What we call this? It is a clinical spirit, and you can also say that rubbing spirit, and it is made up of it contains nearly 99% alcohol. Okay, so we can use this, and it is of 100 ml, and the cost of this spirit is nearly 30 rupees. Okay, you can get it from your nearby medical store, and these are the things which I have taken. It is available at my home, and normally you can just check it out at your first aid box, maybe it is available. Okay, so the main thing which we require for making hand sanitizer is this. Okay, now you can. And Peter, do you know why everyone is saying you have to use alcohol-based sanitizer? Because it kills the germs and bacteria, viruses, and it has antiseptic property. Okay, so that's why we are using this. And next one is rose water. If we will use only this, so and as you know, it is highly concentrated, and so we have to dilute this solution. So that's why I'm using rose water, and you all have to use this rose water. At the place of rose water, you can use essential oils. Okay, and rose water I'm using because it has a very good fragrance and it is available at everyone's home. That's why. And students, I got this rose water at 15 rupees. Okay, 30 ml 15 rupees. Okay, now the third one is glycerin. So why I'm using this glycerin? Because no doubt alcohol kills the germs, but it will also make your skin dry, and I'm using this glycerin to make our skin moisturized. Okay, so that's why I'm using this, and it is very cheap cost. It is of 20 rupees and 200 gram. Okay, but we have to only take only 2 tablespoons. Okay, so these are the things, and you can if you have to keep your sanitizers for a long period of time, so you can use that vitamin A capsule. Okay, but and students, now my last ingredient is aloe vera gel. Okay, I have taken this aloe vera gel from my garden, and you can use that aloe vera gel bottle which is of many companies, so you can use that. Okay, I have got this from my garden, and we have to use only 2 tablespoons. Okay, and aloe vera gel has antiseptic properties, and it kills germs also, and it also help good for your skin. Okay, and it kills germs also. So now I'm going to start. Okay, and I don't have any measuring cane, so that's why I have taken this from the bottle of cough syrup. Okay, so that's why I'm going to, and it is of 10 ml. Okay, so now I'm going to put clinical spirit, and I want 60 ml, 10 ml, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 60. Okay, so I have already measured it. It is 60 ml. Now I'm going to put 30 ml rose water. So, and you know Now I am going to take 30 ml rose water. As you know, the best sanitizer contain only 60 to 70% alcohol. So that's why I am going to dilute this, and I want 30 ml. So 30 ml rose water. Now I am going to put 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel and 2 tablespoons glycerin. Look at this. 100 ml of hand sanitizer is ready to use, and you can use it and you can give it to someone who is in need. Okay, and it is very easy to make. And now students, you can see my homemade hand sanitizer, and it is very easy to make, and and it is of very cheap cost. You can make at home, and all the things are easily available at your home. And if not, so you can, if your father or mother, they will go to any medical shop, they can easily get it. And now it is ready to use, and you can you can make it at your home and give it to someone who needs this. Okay. Now students, I have taken this bottle and I am going to transfer my sanitizer in this, and wait. Now you can see this, I have transferred this in this bottle, and I have put cap in this. So now I have put cap on this bottle, and I can use like this. Okay, and my hand sanitizer is ready to use. I hope you all are enjoying this activity. So now take care, bye bye, and I want to see everyone's hand sanitizer with a proper video or pictures. Okay, so bye.